Hi dear students, I hope you are keeping well. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is sets, chapter number 5, class 7's maths. Okay, this is class 7th ICSE maths set theory. We will go to start, that is chapter number 5. Okay, so let's see introduction. Importance points I will also take. You will write the concept in your notebook, and whenever a school will be open, you will come with your completed notes. Okay. See, recall, sets recall. Okay. A set is a collection of well-defined object. Set is a collection of well-defined object. Well-defined means what? Well-defined means what? Well defined means it is very clear to identify things is belong to that particular category or not. This is well defined means. Okay. The following are the some example of sets. A set of fruits. Okay. A set of fruits. The set of teacher teaching you. This is also well defined because you know who are teaching you. The set of letters in the word consonant. This is well defined because you know which is the letters in the word consonants. Okay, this is the example of set because this is well defined. So set means a set is a collection of well defined objects. Okay. Next, the following are not examples. The following are not well defined collection and are therefore not set. See, first one, the books that are of fun to read. The book that are fun to read. Okay. Every students are not like same types of book. Okay. If I am telling the students who are 50 years old in class 7, it is not well defined who is 50 years, who is good students. Okay. If I am telling good students in class 7, so what is the definition of good? It is not well defined, so it is not an example of sets. See, second example, the movies that are good. The movie that are good, so सबके लिए एक ही मूवी गुड हो ये अच्छा नहीं होगा. One movie is good for everyone. It is not necessary. Okay, so it is not a collection of set. Set means well defined. See, second point. Sets can be specified by any of the following method. Three methods are there: description method, tabular method, or roster from rule method, or set builder form. One by one we will see that method. Okay. I hope it is clear. Set means what? Set means collection of well defined object. Okay. For example, you have seen. Give two more examples by yourself. The example of set and not example of set. Okay. If I am telling intelligent students in your class, this is the example of set or not? Tell me in the comment box, yes or no. Let me raise it. Comment everybody. Intelligent students in class 7, this is the example of set? No. Why no? Because the definition of intelligent students is not defined. Who will be intelligent? It is not clear, so it is not example of set. If I am telling students, those who have got 70 marks in final examination, this is well defined. You can tell these students have got more than 70 marks. So this is the well defined, so it is the example of set. Okay, let's move forward. Notation of sets. Okay, the sets are usually denoted by capital letters. Okay, capital letters, and the members of the set are denoted by the small letters like A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. Okay, the set are usually denoted by the capital letters, but members are denoted by the small letter. Second point, the symbol X and this symbol this means belong to, such that. So X such that set is, you can read it like that. Means X is an element of set S or X belong to S, whereas the symbol X does not belong to. See, this symbol is does not belong to. X does not belong to set X means X is not the member of set S, and here X belong to set S means X is the member of set S. Okay, means X is not an element of S or X does not belongs to set S. If it is written like this, X belongs to set S means X is the member of set S, and X does not belong to set S means X is not a member of set S. Okay, let's move on next slide. Okay, see, for example, let C be the set of all countries in Asia. Let C be the set of all countries in Asia. Then we have India belongs to set A. India belongs to set C. Okay, because let C be the set of all countries in Asia. Set C belongs to all countries in Asia. India lies in Asia continent, so India belongs to set C. Sri Lanka belongs to set C. Japan belongs to set C. Whereas England does not belong to set C. Canada does not belong to set C. France does not belong to set C because this is not lies in Asia. That's why. Okay. This England, Canada and France does not belong to set C because it is not lies in Asia continents. Okay. So I hope it is clear. This symbol is belongs to, this symbol is does not belongs to. Okay, you will write this symbol in your notebook also. See, method, description form. Description form means in this method we write a description of the members. We write the description of the members of the set, starting clearly their common property. The description is usually enclosed in braces, means in middle bracket like that. Okay. See example. Write the following sets in description form. This form is not in description form. Okay. Let me erase it first. See, it is given here 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have to write this set in description form. We will write the property of this number. Okay. What is this? Even number. Even number till 12 because it is till 10. Okay. So we will write in description form. Solution: even numbers less than 12. Even numbers less than 12. And enclose it in braces, means in middle bracket. Okay. So we will write even numbers less than what? 12 and enclose in braces. Okay, this is known as description form because we have written the description property. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Let's see next example. Okay, let's see other example. Second example is A, E, I, O, U. Second is A, E, I, O, U. We have to write this in description form. So we will write the property of this letter. So which property this all letters contain? So this is the vowels of English alphabet. So we will write vowels of the English alphabet and enclose in the braces, means the middle brackets. Okay. So in description form, generally we are writing description, means properties of that letters. I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay. Let's move in next form, that means tabular form. Okay, tabular form or roster form. In this method we list all the members of the set and separate them by commas. In this method we list all the members of set and separate them by commas. The list is enclosed within the braces, means this is also enclosed in middle bracket. The order in which elements are listed is unimportant. Okay, order is not important here. Also, repetition is not done while listing the elements. Repetition will be not repeated. Also, repetition is not done while listing the element. This is the very important points you will mention in your notes book also. Okay. Thus, if S is the set of letters in the word paper, okay, it will be separated as S is equal to, and in brackets you will write P, a small p, because members are written by a small letters. So small p, comma, A. Again P is coming. See, a spelling of paper. What is the spelling of paper? P-A-P-E-R. We have written first P, then A. Again P is coming. But what is the second point? Repetition is not done while listing the elements. Repetition is not done, so we will not write P again. We will write what? E, then R. This is the tabular form or roster form. Okay. Description form is given here. In example, description form is given here, and we are writing in tabular form or roster form. Okay. See the example first. The set of prime numbers less than 15. The set of prime numbers less than 15. The first prime number is what? 2, then 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. This is the prime numbers less than 15. The set, let the name of set any A, B, C, whatever ever you want to write. A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay, this is known as tabular form. Second example, the set of colors of the rainbow. This form is known as description because property is given, description is given. We have to write in tabular form, so we will write the name of the color. So let's say B. You can let any name of set B, C, D, X, and as you know, name of set is denoted by capital letters and elements are denoted by small letters. So we will write capital B, C, whatever you want to write. Then color of rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay. Next example, the set of letters in the word remember. Okay. Remember. Let's see. What is the spelling of remember? Remember means R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R. Remember. Okay. We have to write it in which form? Tabular form, tabulation, and the roster form. So we will list all the elements. Okay. Let the name of set we see, and in brackets we will write letters. So first R, then E, then M. Again E is coming. But second point is what? Repetition is not done while listing the elements. So we will not write the repeated letter. E will not write. Again M is repeated, so we will not write. We will write what? B. Then E is repetition. R is repeated, so we will not write. So answer will be R, E, M, B. Okay. I hope it is clear to all of you. Next example number 3. Write the set A of the set of non-zero multiples of 2 less than hundreds. Okay. Write the set A of the set of non-zero multiples of 2 less than 100. Write it. The set of non-zero multiples of 2 less than 100. 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 98. This is in tabular form. Okay. For example, write the set P of the integers greater than -5. So we will write -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 means dot dot dot, all are greater than 5. So this is known as tabular form or roster form. So I hope it is clear how you will write description form to tabular form. Let's move on. Next method, rule method or set builder method. Okay, what is next? Rule method or set builder. In this method, we writing a variables, say x, right? We writing a variable, let x, representing any member of the set. Put the vertical like that, vertical, okay, or the column such that, like that, which stand for the word such that, which means both means what? Such that. Then we state the property which is characterizes of all the objects of the set. Okay, these symbols means such that. Let's move on. Next slide. Okay, see. Thus, if the members of set S possess a property P and X is any elements of S, then we write the set S as X such that X has property P, or X such that X has property P. Like that we will write. Okay. See the examples, it will more clear. Write the following sets in the set builder form. The set E of days of the week. A description is given. Okay. The set E of days of the week. We have to write in which form? Rule builder method. Okay. How we will write? E is equal to D such that D is a day of the week. Then second example, the set F of natural numbers less than 20, we will write F is equal to, in braces, in middle bracket, X such that X belongs to whole number X less than 20, because it is given that less than 20. Third, minus 9, minus 6, minus 3, 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. The first, identify the property, then we will write the property. Okay, given set is equal to how X such that X is what? This is the multiple of 3, means we can write it 3n, and n belongs to Z, means integer, and n is greater than equal to minus 3 and less than equal to what? 6. Like that we will write. See the next example. Okay, example number 6. Write the following sets in roster form and also in set builder form. Roster form or set builder form. What is the question? The set of the integers which lies between minus 5 and 4, both including. Okay, first write it in roster form. So in roster form we will write the elements. Okay, the set of integers which lies between minus 5 and 4, both including. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the element. So we will write this element in the braces. Okay, or how we will write in the set builder form? X such that X belongs to Z, because these all are integers. Z denotes integer. Integers are denoted by capital Z. So X such that X belongs to Z, or X is equal to, greater than equal to minus 5 and less than equal to 4. Okay, like that we will write. It is clear? It is visible to all of you? Yes. Next example, the set of natural numbers which are divisible by 8 and less than 60. Divisible by 8 and less than 60. In both form we have to write. So 8, 16, 24 means we will write table of 8 till 56. Till less than 60. 56. And in roster form how we will write? X such that X is equal to 8n, means this is the multiple of 8, and n belongs to natural number because these all are natural numbers, and x is less than 60. In this video we have discussed the concepts of sets, what is sets, how you identify this is sets or not. Okay, sets means collection of well defined object. Then three different forms. See, in this PPT we have this discuss notation, and in next we have three method discusses this description method, rule method or set builder method, tabular method. So learn it properly, write all the concepts in your notebook. In next video we will solve the exercise. Okay, before seeing the solution of exercise you will try to solve. Okay, how much you are getting. After that we will see the solution. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.